And welcome to my second Absolute Beginners Python tutorial. If you have not seen my previous videos, such as Absolute Python Beginners Tutorial 1, which is Turtle, or how to use Sprinkle Tutorial, I highly recommend you see them. You may also notice that I switched to you may have noticed, not also, but may have noticed that I've switched to a new browser called Opera. Switch to it, it's good. It also has an ad blocker. Okay, and that works with YouTube ads. But so without further ado, let's get into it. So create a new Python tutorial, a trinket, and type this line in. So it tells them we're using Python 3. Then, if we do this, we go and do print, and with brackets and possibly say hello world. Why hello world? Because it's something that most things do as default. I have no idea why. So if you run this, it does hello world. So now that's printed, you can change it to anyone. So I know my name is Bob, for example. So run that. That's not my real name. I'm not giving away any of my personal details on this. So just make sure you don't get concerned. That's something to do any text. So now if we can do any text, for example, let's do here a picture of a dog. You'll see why we're doing that in a sec, because it's going to make a dog picture with printing. But if we save this and you run this, there's a bug. Now, what is this bug? Well, it's the thing is, you may have noticed, is that for one, we haven't had a clause here, but we don't need that one. So now, if we save this and run it, it still doesn't work. So there's what's wrong? Well, what's wrong is first we need to delete that. As you see, when you type it in, you put clause marks, whatever you want to call them, and there's the same thing happens in between the E on his and S. Now, how do we fix that? Well, what you need to do is you need to do backslash. So it's the slash is going backwards like this, and you also need to do this, of course. Now, what should happen if you run it? Here's a picture of a dog, fixed. So, because that probably wouldn't come to you, but when you do most print tutorials, probably mention that. So now we've done that, we can do print. There's a thing here, and we can we need to do what do? We can use O or 0. So if O and print we can do should happen is now you can do this. Now these symbols, they're pipe symbols. Normally you can do them, they might be on some keyboards, but to do them on UK and US keyboards, press Shift and slash, I think it was, or something like that. It's already on mine, so it might not work on this keyboard. So Shift plus slash. Okay. Now, if you won this. There's a dog, there's a dog-looking thing. I'm not an artist, but apart from if you're thinking about 3D, but not be an artist. So now it's a picture of a dog. Now, what can we do? What can we do now? Now to get more. Now this is probably as good as we can. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a challenge. I'm going to make kind of do an entire fact file about yourself. And no one else is going to see it, so don't share it. Do not share it. But or click or publish. If you're doing it using your personal details. So basically make a fact file. So pause the video, do it. So yeah. Done it? Have you done it, or are you stuck? Have you done it, or are you stuck? If you're stuck, I'll show you how to do it, or you can't just. So if you've done it, congratulations. So I'll show you how to do it now. So of course you do this, and we do. My name is Bob, and oh, I forgot to do quote marks. Yeah. My name is Bob. I'm using Bob as a pseudonym, or actually more appropriately, my name is the Clever Kid. So that'd be more appropriate for my channel. But now I've done that, and I think I live in on Earth, but well, you must. I mean, well, I hope most of us are living on Earth, unless you're watching this in 2015, when you might be on a different planet, or you could be on SpaceX's thing and watching this if there's any Wi-Fi there, or but you could have downloaded it. I live on Earth, and so I live on Earth. You have, and 3 hints. I have a YouTube channel, and print. I have a pet budgie, for example. Pet budgie, because yeah, I don't really. So don't. I don't really. I'm not giving away any of my personal details, but and print. So and you also need to go and do what else? For example, that you could do print what would it be? Print for example, I can't think of it. Print. Yeah, I can't think of it. Print my favourite excuse me on my spelling. It's terrible. Favourite. Yeah. Or if you live in the UK, you can do that. My favourite song is wake me up by Avicii. And then finally, if I do Avicii logo Unicode. Hold, because my Avicii actually does have a Unicode thing. Where is it? Should be something somewhere. Oh yeah, here. And copy. And then we do paste it. For example, hopefully this will work. Hopefully it recognises the Unicode. Make me up by Avicii. If you do that. Oh yeah, that wouldn't work anyway. Save and run it. And it's Avicii. Yeah, Avicii's logo there. And then run it. And that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I will be making my next Blender tutorial. It should be fun, and that's pretty. So that's yeah, that's any big announcements. I'm also trying to make like a fully feature animated movie or some in Blender, but that's it for now. So remember to save your work, and as always, I wish you the best, and goodbye.